All right, so how often would you say you use the website?
The desktop site?
Yeah.
Very rarely.
Very rarely, but
Yeah.
you use the mobile app a ton?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I guess that's actually pretty interesting. That's good. I guess show us the 3 to 5 or so of the most important things that you do on SoundCloud. It could be something like playing or finding a song or finding new music or making a playlist or even just adding something to your likes. Just
right.
What do you do the most?
So most of my time is spent in my likes folder, obviously just going through the playlist of all the songs that I already have saved.
Do you like that it's all the album covers?
Yeah, I think it's pretty neat. I mean, I feel like a big part of it when you're listening to the song, you see the album artwork obviously the whole time with the play. Yeah, exactly. So it's just nice a trigger to have all of the pictures. Good point. I guess that's obviously the biggest one. I mean, searching for artists is a pretty important one. So if I'm trying to find
Getter
new music, I did Grizz.
But, that's even better.
The search function is alright. Finding Grizz. This was the part that I've always found funny though, how it doesn't really separate here's all the artist results for Grizz, here are all the track results for Grizz. You gotta scroll down through tracks already to get to the artist, which is kind of funny. So I mean, I don't know, I guess those are the two biggest things I would use the most. Playlists, I mean, I don't know, I feel like a lot of the music playlists that I have are in Spotify instead of SoundCloud. Mm-hmm. I wouldn't say that most of the majority of the music that I listen to comes from SoundCloud, so playlists aren't really that big of a thing, but every once in a while.
Yeah.
Getting some FIFA hook action.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an old playlist.
It is.
Okay, cool. What's your favorite genre of music?
Electronic and alternative.
Cool. So, and I'm assuming that SoundCloud's a pretty much electronic platform.
Yeah.
For the most part. Do you want to make a playlist right now?
Sure.
And just talk about where you say out loud all this stuff.
Yeah. So I mean, it's pretty clear. Collection is going to be all the things that I have. So I mean, obviously, it's split up into a nice side menu here. So just playlists. This is where it gets interesting. I'm pretty sure. Okay, so I had to go back. That was kind of stupid. I had to go back to my likes because I couldn't do it from the playlist. Oh.
You couldn't there wasn't a make a playlist button. Yeah.
No,
I think
but
that's
then
right.
okay, so here add a playlist, and then let's create a playlist. Let's test.
So it would probably be helpful to have a make a playlist.
Yeah.
Button in the playlist.
And
section.
then once I go to the.
Oh, pretty logical.
Okay.
It's even giving you tips.
So this is just for reorganizing your track. So if I want to add a track, I'm assuming I just have to do the same thing.
Yeah, you probably have to be either.
So I have to go back to my likes. Okay, that's kind of interesting. I'll do it with another one. So I go back to my likes. So this one.
That's a good song.
Okay, that makes it easy enough, separating out the playlist and everything.
Yeah, because if you go through your likes, you can just.
Yeah,
it's pretty nice.
So then back playlists.
Okay, so
right.
Say you're looking for new music. How would you go about finding a new song you haven't heard before?
Well, most of the time I just browse through the stream. I mean, that's everything that the people that I follow are reposting and I guess currently listening to. So it usually has a pretty good span. So Grizz, for instance, right?
Yeah.
That's one of the artists that I looked up since I follow him. I know that he's just kind of listening to that. Other than just scrolling through the general, stream. I really like going to artist's page, release Grizz again, and then either going. Oh, see, this is a lot different than the mobile website. So on the mobile,
are you looking for their likes?
Yeah, I was trying to find their like section.
Yeah.
But it's not.
Doesn't it show? I think it shows up on the right side. If you want to scroll down. No. Yeah. Following and
following groups.
Doesn't have any likes. Well, that's weird.
Because this leads me to believe these are just the things that he posted on the stream which we were at earlier.
Yeah. Maybe try it with a different artist.
Yeah. Let's do.
Then it should be on the right side. Maybe it's cheating to tell you that. Yeah, see, go just on the right pane. See, they're there.
Oh, there they are.
Okay.
All right.
But that's like way different.
So that was cheating. Yeah, it's not like it's its own little section. Like if I go to an artist page, there's like a menu sideways that I can just like swipe through to find like their likes, and it's usually like the first or second one.
Cool.
All right.
Do you ever use it to share songs on social media? Or do you want to try like and walk through how you would share a song to Facebook or whatever?
Sure. So let's pick a song from my collection. We'll go this one.
And do you usually like use a share function, or would you just copy and paste the link?
Typically whenever I'm like sending music to people, it's through like text conversations, in which case I would just copy the URL and just send it to them so they could just open it right from their phone. But so share. I'm assuming you can just choose the platform. Let's just say Facebook.
Yeah.
Probably have me log in and stuff. And then
are you linked through Facebook? Is your account through Facebook?
Yeah, I created an account. Yeah, I created an account through Facebook.
Sign up with Facebook.
Yeah, it was just the easiest, most convenient thing to do. I just clicked 2 buttons and it was done.
Are there any features that you think SoundCloud is lacking, or like as like I don't know, like what do you think about the website? Do you think it's good as a music interface? Do you think it's lacking? Do you think it's overly complicated, or do you have no strong feelings whatsoever? Do you think it does a good job?
Well, the thing is that I use both Spotify and SoundCloud, and I just use SoundCloud so much more than I just use Spotify so much more than SoundCloud, just because it has the feature where you can save tracks like to the actual app itself, so you don't have to use
like
your data.
Yeah.
Right. Exactly. So, I mean, although I do use SoundCloud a lot for finding, like we said, like it's a huge like electronic platform that I can look at any kind of remix that anyone has ever made and then decided to release on the internet. But at the same time, I'm going to have to be connected to data while I use it, and I don't have that feature. Like, let's say that I go on a road trip and I'm going to be out of service for a while, or whatever the case may be. I'm not always going to have it on my phone.
Mm-hmm. How are we doing on time?
It's kind of irritating.
7 minutes.
7 minutes? Okay, cool. You guys have any questions that you
could have him like look for a song that he thinks is good?
Okay.
And add it to that playlist. Like, so that would mean like you'd have to listen to it for a little bit.
Oh yeah, sure. Oh yeah. Play a song and
all right, I'll find a
like
song.
So that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Obviously, we should probably play some music with the music.
All right, so I'll check out that great song that was played.
Ooh, have you heard this actually?
No, I think so.
Some new Floozy stuff.
You can do whatever you want to figure out if it's good or not.
So do you ever skip through, like, if you're just trying to figure out, do you, like, skip through a song, or do you just...
Yeah, I will sometimes. And I mean... I'll actually probably have it on. Yeah, I mean, one of the features that I do really like about it, though, is it kind of does have it barred out. And although it doesn't seem like that it follows, like, a really accurate trend, you still can tell for sure, like, when, like, a big change is going to happen in the music, like, where, like, a big drop is. So, like, there's a huge spike right here. It's like there, sometimes it's just leading, like, that saxophone flip, like, you know. Alright, so, I mean, yeah, I guess this is...
No, but you can, like, if it's, like, a dubstep song, you can...
Right, for
like,
sure.
Here's, like, a big, like,
exactly.
explosion.
There's some kind of connotation with it.
That's pretty funny.
So, yeah,
no, that's good. We want, like, stuff that kind of is misleading.
I'll say it's pretty funky.
Yeah.
And let's add it to that.
And then, did you, so you just added 2 playlists, so, you know...
Yeah,
did you use the repost function?
I do, sometimes. There's only been, like, one song, I think, that I listened to, and I was like, I need people to know about this. So I reposted it, but I don't know. I feel like most of it, what I use it for is just, like, private music use, less of, like, sharing music and, you know, giving it to other people, which is, I don't know, I feel like I should do more of, but...
Do you ever use the charts feature?
No.
Cool. Do you want to just play with it for a little bit? Just talk about what...
Yeah, sure.
How you might approach this feature.
I mean, this is pretty cool. I mean, if you're trying to, like, explore new genres and you want to get, like, the essentials of that genre, let's see what we got here.
Or, like, what's popular right now.
Right, exactly. You kind of have that option to see, you know, what's been, like, the really deep cuts that are... Let's just go to dance EDM. So, yeah, okay. So, Lean On, Roses, Galantis. Alright, that's pretty cool. New and hot.
New and hot.
Hey. Huh. I mean, okay. I like that the little buttons pop up on the side. I mean, it's not like you have to go through another whole process like before when we were trying to find, or create a playlist. Like you had to go back and re-enter the song and everything.
Yeah.
You don't have to do that for. Here, there's a nice little button for it. Can you create a new one? Yeah, you can from here. Okay, that's kind of neat. You post, like, share. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
Or audio genres.
Do you ever
Or
use
podcasts.
SoundCloud for podcasts?
I had no
or anything?
idea there were podcasts on SoundCloud.
Yeah.
Or the top 50. See, these you can download.
It depends on a lot of songs you can download as well. You want to download it just to.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll just...
So yeah, I really like the downloads. Like if it's available for download, you can just click it.
Alright, simple
Download it.
enough.
Which I think is pretty cool.
Well, see, like I've definitely listened to tracks before where it'll have like download in link or like something will be on the song title about like it being a download, but it's not like a separate button like that. You've got to go down to like the description or wherever.
Sometimes they have that. It depends on like if they are able to give it away or not. If there's like samples and stuff,
That's
they might
true.
not be able to.
So where's it open? Just
11 minutes.
11 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, I think we're good. Any parting comments, James?
I mean, I think as far as like creating a little bit more of a fluid design as far as like manipulating your music and like maybe creating playlists and just messing around with everything, there could be some improvements. Like we saw, there was a little bit of a hassle making a playlist, but I think overall it's relatively easy to find something. I think they could like clean up the like query results from their search a little bit better.
Yeah, the search is pretty bad.
But I mean, all in all, I'm happy with it. I still use it quite frequently. Again, I just think it'd be cool if they had that, kind
Do you
of
use
like
any other websites at all for music other than Spotify?
No, not really. I mean, I used to listen to Pandora a little bit, maybe, or like Songs are another one of like the just
Radio
like
station.
music radio playlist station kind of deal. But ever since like I got premium SoundCloud or Spotify, sorry, I always mix two. Every time I get like Spotify, premium Spotify, it's just kind of better than everything else out there.
Word. Alright, well thanks, man.
Yeah, you got it.
You did a good job.
Anything else?